Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload HD videos on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to upload HD videos on TikTok, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your TikTok app. So after updating, you have to simply open your TikTok app here, and here just have this plus option to create or upload a new video here. Now you just have to try to upload or create a new video. So I'm going to upload here. Just tap on this bottom left corner here. Select the video which you want to upload. So let's say I'm going to select this one here. Just tap on next option. And you must have to edit your video in which way you want. Once you have edit, just tap on next option again. Now on this screen, just select more options and you'll get an option of allow high quality uploads. You must have to enable the toggle. So once you have enabled this toggle, it will automatically upload your video in HD quality. So after enabling this toggle, just go back and then tap on this post option here, and your video will be posted in HD quality. So in this way, you can easily upload HD quality videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.